Hello, and welcome to a new video where we dive deep into the world of technology. Today, we're exploring the future of work and the transformative effects of AI on various industries. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is not just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary technology that's reshaping the way we live and work. Imagine machines that can learn, reason, and even make decisions just like humans, but with an efficiency and accuracy that far surpasses our own capabilities. This is the potential of AI, and it's already beginning to change the face of various industries. From healthcare, manufacturing to retail, AI is making its mark, and its impact is only set to increase in the years to come. Over the course of this video, we'll be diving into how AI is transforming these industries and what it means for the future of work. So, without further ado, let's delve into this fascinating topic. Scene script. First up, let's talk about one of the most critical industries, healthcare. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already making its mark here. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. Imagine a world where a machine can analyze your symptoms, cross-reference them with millions of medical records, and come up with a diagnosis in seconds. The time saved could mean the difference between life and death. But it's not just about diagnosis. AI is also revolutionizing treatment and patient care. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze a patient's medical history, lifestyle, and genetics to recommend personalized treatment plans. It's like having a super smart personal health coach that knows you better than you know yourself. One of the most significant impacts of AI in healthcare is in predicting patient deterioration. Let's take a real-world example. A hospital in Boston, USA used an AI system to monitor patients in the intensive care unit. The system analyzed the patient's vital signs and predicted which ones were likely to deteriorate within the next few hours. This early warning gave doctors a head start in intervening and potentially saving lives. And then there's patient care. AI-powered chatbots can provide round-the-clock support, answering patient queries, reminding them to take their medication, and even providing emotional support. This not only improves patient experience, but also frees up valuable time for healthcare professionals to focus on more complex tasks. AI is also playing a pivotal role in medical research. From speeding up drug discovery to predicting how diseases will spread, AI is helping us fight back against illnesses and pandemics faster than ever before. This is just the start. As AI continues to evolve, it's set to transform healthcare in ways we can't even imagine yet. It could lead to breakthroughs in curing diseases that are currently untreatable, and it might even help us understand the human body in ways that were previously impossible. Clearly, AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, but it doesn't stop there. Beyond healthcare, AI is also making waves in the manufacturing industry. It's threading its way through every facet of the production line, and its impact is undeniable. Let's delve into how this revolutionary technology is reshaping manufacturing. From the moment raw materials enter a factory to the moment the final product leaves, AI has a role to play. One crucial area is predictive maintenance. In the days of yore, equipment maintenance was reactive, often leading to costly downtime. Now, with AI, we can predict when a machine is likely to fail and act proactively. This predictive approach saves time, money, and resources while also increasing overall efficiency. Quality control is another area where AI shines. It's no secret that human error can lead to costly mistakes in manufacturing. However, AI, with its ability to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately, is stepping up to the plate. It can spot defects that the human eye might miss, ensuring a consistent level of quality across all products. To bring this to life, let's look at car manufacturing. In this industry, precision is paramount. Even the slightest misalignment can have serious consequences. AI is used to ensure that every part is in its correct place, every weld is secure, and every bolt is tight. The result? More reliable cars and happier customers. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also being used to improve supply chain management, design products, and even manage human resources. It's clear that AI is becoming an integral part of manufacturing, helping companies adapt to changing market demands, reduce waste, and increase profitability. It's important to remember, though, that AI is not here to replace humans. Instead, it's here to augment human capabilities, allowing us to work smarter, not harder. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up humans to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic tasks. It's a partnership, one that has the potential to propel the manufacturing industry into a future of unprecedented productivity and growth. As we can see, AI is not just about robots and automation, it's about enhancing human capabilities and efficiency. Moving on, let's talk about retail, an industry that's been dramatically transformed by AI. The retail industry, once a traditional landscape, has been completely revolutionized by artificial intelligence. From the bustling warehouses to the virtual shopping carts of online stores, AI is leaving its indelible mark everywhere. One of the most recognizable uses of AI in retail is in personalized recommendations. You know when you're browsing an online store and you see a section that says "you might also like"? That's AI at work. It's a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes your browsing and purchasing habits and then suggests products that you might be interested in. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your taste perfectly. Another significant application of AI in retail is in inventory management. Gone are the days of manually tracking stock levels and reordering goods. With AI, retailers can predict demand, optimize stock levels, and even automatically reorder products when they're running low. It's a game changer that's saving retailers huge amounts of time and money. But let's not just talk in abstracts, let's look at a real-world example: Amazon. This retail giant is a pioneer in using AI to streamline its operations. In Amazon's fulfillment centers, AI-powered robots work alongside human workers to pick, pack, and ship products. These robots can navigate huge warehouses, pick up items, and even sort packages, all with incredible speed and accuracy. It's a ballet of technology and efficiency that's helping Amazon deliver packages faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is also being used to enhance the customer experience. Chatbots, for instance, are being used to handle customer queries and complaints. They can provide instant responses, direct customers to the right departments, and even process orders. It's like having a 24/7 customer service representative that never gets tired or takes a break. From warehouses to online shopping, AI is redefining the retail landscape. It's making shopping more personal, inventory management more efficient, and customer service more responsive. The future of retail is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. But what does all this mean for the future of work? Let's delve into the transformative effects of AI on the job market. In the face of technological evolution, it's natural to fear job displacement. A common concern is that AI could automate tasks, rendering certain roles obsolete. And to some extent, this concern is valid. AI has the potential to automate routine tasks, especially those that are repetitive and predictable. But it's important to remember that every technological revolution in history has led to job displacement, but it has also given rise to new roles that were previously unimaginable. Consider the advent of the internet. Yes, it did disrupt many industries, but it also created a plethora of new jobs like web developers, digital marketers, and data scientists. Similarly, AI is likely to create new jobs that we can't even conceive of yet. Roles that involve managing AI systems, interpreting AI outputs, and even ethical oversight of AI are already emerging. Moreover, AI can also enhance existing jobs by taking over mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex, creative, and interpersonal tasks. Tasks that require empathy, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are far from being automated and will continue to be the domain of humans. This brings us to an important point: the need for reskilling and lifelong learning. As AI continues to evolve, so too must our skill sets. We must learn to work alongside AI, harness its capabilities, and adapt to the changing job landscape. This means that lifelong learning is not just a nice-to-have, but a necessity in the AI era. So, will AI replace jobs? Yes, some. But it will also create new ones and enhance others. It's not about man versus machine, but rather man with machine. The future of work is not a distant reality, but something that is happening right now, and it's exciting to see where it takes us. As we've seen, AI is transforming industries and the future of work in ways we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. From the healthcare sector to manufacturing to the retail industry, AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a present reality that is revolutionizing how we live and work. In healthcare, we're seeing AI's potential in diagnostics, patient care, and even in drug discovery. In the manufacturing sector, AI is enhancing efficiency, reducing waste, and driving innovation. And in retail, AI is personalizing the shopping experience like never before, making it more efficient, enjoyable, and tailored to individual needs. AI's transformative effect on the future of work is undeniable. It's an exciting time as we navigate this new landscape, and there's so much more to explore and learn. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of work and AI. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring.